All right, cool. So my name's Stuart Rimmel. I'm currently head of future design at IG. So it's been a really amazing experience coming to India. The people here are so welcoming. It's entirely different to anything that I have experienced ever before. But you know, the levels of professionalism here are fantastic, and the welcome that everyone's given me and all the other speakers and all the delegates has been fantastic. And the delegates, they seem to be really interested as well. I've had a few nice tweets about my presentation. You know, it was really nerve-wracking going on after Venkat. I mean, that guy is a complete machine. But it's really nice to be here and really nice to share a talk with you. Yeah, so I mean, IG have a number of other sessions here. So yesterday I attended both James English's session on some of the work that we're doing on the web, and Matthias Herrich's conversation about the work that we're doing with Android and how we did a big rewrite. And I also went to Brian Sletton's conversation about WebAssembly yesterday, which was really amazing because, you know, IG is one of these organizations that's really been pushing the web to the edges. We've been pushing the browser really hard to get great performance. But WebAssembly is just going to take it to the next level, and that was it's fantastic to see that coming on. Yeah, absolutely. I'd love to come back to GIDS again. So, and this is my first time in India, and IG have offices here in Bangalore, and it's my first time visiting my colleagues over here as well. So inevitably it'd be great to come back to GIDS, and I'll be over here regularly to see my colleagues. It'd be great to be back here again.